Hello to everyone. In today's session of two-dimensional geometry, mathematics class 11, further concepts will be clear on circle through illustrations. Illustrations being taken from JEE Main PYQs 2025. In earlier session, we have gone through very basics of circle, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these playlists on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn covers all the basics as well as advanced states of mathematics and physics. NEET 2020 paper solution complete, JEE Advanced 2020 solution is available on YouTube channel and covered all the topics and concepts which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn, which are very useful for 11th standard, 12th standard, NEET, JEE Main and Advanced, CUET and other entrance examinations. In addition to this further, these three papers are available on complete detailed solution with additional information. Available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. Please visit the site and have the solutions. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question: discuss regarding equation of circle through 3 points and also equation of circle in diameter form. Generally, equation of circle when center is HK and radius is R is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to R square. This is the equation of circle. If center is origin, then this is the standard equation. Equation of circle. General equation of circle is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where g, f and c are constants. To find the center and radius, we can write the equation. This can be written as comparing the equation. उसके स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ले लिया एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, तो सेंटर आ गया माइनस जी माइनस एफ, रेडियस आ गया अंडर जी स्क्वायर प्लस एफ स्क्वायर माइनस सी. सपोज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2y स्क्वायर प्लस 4x plus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. This would be equation of circle if A equal to B. Here is 2, and to find center and radius, make coefficient of x square and y square equal to 1. Then x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 3 by 2, 0. Then center will be minus g minus f, that is g हो गया 1 और f हो गया 3 by 2. This is the center. Radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. उसको put कर दिए, that is the answer. Here c is 3 by 2. So this is all regarding the equation circle passing 3 points. में पुट करो, फिर पुट करो, फिर पुट करो, जी एफ सी की वैल्यू पुटा इसमें पुट कर दो. अगर डायरेक्टली गिवन है तो यू कैन फाइंड द सेंटर एंड रेडियस. Radius is g square plus f square should be greater than or equal to c. What is the essential condition? G square plus f square should be equal greater than c, because this is minus sign is there, greater than or equal to c. Right? Further, not a general equation second degree ax square plus 2xy plus b 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a circle if coefficient of x square equal to y square, coefficient of xy equal to 0, that is delta is not equal to 0, that is delta is abc plus twice fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is not equal to 0. However, for a point circle whose radius is 0, delta equal to 0, right? Rule to find the center radius of circle whose equation is given. सिंपल बता दिया आपको. Make the coefficient x equal to 1, right hand side equal to 0. The coordinate of center will be alpha beta, where alpha equal to half coefficient of x and beta coefficient of y minus radius under g square minus constant. वो सारा डिस्कस हमने कर दिया. Following cases will be there. This is positive. This is, in this case, circle is called point circle. If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, ये इमेजिनरी हो जाएंगे, राइट? इसको छोड़ दीजिए. Now, equation circle passing through 3 points. So, how many variables are there? G, F, C. 3 points से satisfy करा दी, 3 इक्वेशन आएंगे. G, F, C की वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए, पुट कर दी. That will be the equation of circle. If all the 4 vertices coordinator lie on a circle, then the coordinator is called a cyclic coordinator. The 4 vertices are said to be concyclic. Right now, we will discuss diameter form. Further, to discuss diameter form. Equation of circle passes through given points and subtending angle theta at the circumference. Means, if suppose 3 points are given to you, this is point P, X, Y, A, X1, Y1, B, X2, Y2, and this angle is theta. You know, tan theta equal to M1 minus plus minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 into M2. और स्लोप क्या होता है? M equal to the y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. In this case, this is applicable. तो एक लाइन इसका ले लिया, एक इसका ले लिया upon this one, right? This would be plus minus theta. For diameter, this angle will be equal to, how much will be this angle? One chord AB is diameter angle, APB equal to, or APB, this should be equal to 90 degree. Theta will become 90 degree. Theta will become 90. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Right? So, इस केस में पुट कर दीजिए. Cot 90 क्या होगा? Cot 90 will be equal to 0. Tan 0, 0, tan 90, नॉन डिफाइंड, तो cot 90 0. तो इसमें सिंप्लीफाई करके ये सारी टर्म 0 हो जाएगी, तो ये आ जाएगा x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle in diameter form. Equation of circle in general form: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c. To find central radius, make the coefficient of x square equal to 1, y square equal to 1. They should be equal. Xy term coefficient 0 होना चाहिए. So the center is minus g minus f. Radius is under g square plus f square minus c. For real circle, g square plus f square minus c equal to 0. Then diameter form is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. This is all about general form and diameter form, right? Next question. Question is, if 4 distinct points, 4, 6, minus 1, 5, 0, 0 and k, 3k lie on a circle of radius r, then 10k plus r square is equal to, 4 options are given to you, one of the options is correct. Concept applicable and solution. 4 points are given to you, P, Q, 46 minus 1500 and K5K. One method is consider general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Pass it through 3 points, find the value of g of c, then it will satisfy this equation, find the value of k, find the radius, direct answer is there. Right? One method is this. Another method is check whether point slope of MPQ will be equal to 6 minus 5, 4 plus 1, that is 1 by 5. MQR 5 minus 0 minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 5. Right? From these 3 points we conclude that product is minus 1. Product is minus 1. तो कौन सा पॉइंट कॉमन है? Q is common point. Q is common point. Means P46 Q is common point. Q is minus 1 5 and R is this one 0 0. Another point is K 5K. Right? So PR is diameter as angle in semicircle. Circle is 90 degree. Right? So equation of circle in diameter form. Equation of circle in diameter form क्या हो जाएगी? X minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0. On substituting the value of fourth point which lies on this is 3k, I think 3k, k3k, this is 3k, this is 3k. Right? Substitute कर दिया. Point is 4600 4600. Put कर दें x minus 4 x minus 0 plus y minus 6 y minus 0 equal to 0. X square minus plus 0 y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. This is equation A. Now fourth point K3K also lies on circle. Therefore, will satisfy the equation k square plus 9k square minus 4k minus 18k equal to 0. 10k square minus 22k equal to 0. So 2k common, 5k minus 11 equal to 0. K cannot be 0, already is there point, so k equal to 11 by, k comes out to 11 by 5. So point क्या हो जाएगा? Fourth point will be k3k, उसकी वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. ठीक है, इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. तो k equal to 11 by 5. K comes out to 11 by 5. To find the value of value of 10k plus r square. I think this is the 10k plus r square means we have to find the radius of the circle. Under root g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square 4 plus 9 13 minus 0. 4 plus 9 minus 0, that is root 13. So substituting the values, 10 into 11 by 5 plus 13. This comes out to be 110 plus 65 upon 5. That is 175 upon 5. That comes out to be 35. This is the answer. Let's check it. Let's check it. 35D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. D option is the correct option. Right? Now I would like to say that to improve the rank in any subject where numericals are there, always make a habit to find the answer, because calculation technique, calculation practice इमीडिएटली इंडिविजुअल माइंड टू माइंड डिपेंड करता है, कितने स्टेप स्किप करने हैं, कितने स्टेप क्या करना है. तो ऑलवेज फाइनल आंसर निकालो. ये मत देखो कि इसका प्रोसीजर ये, इसका प्रोसीजर ये. जनरली ट्राई टू मेक द हैबिट. राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on sethiswiftlearn YouTube channel, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website sethiswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question. Discuss regarding how many numbers of common tangents can be drawn between two circles. Between two circles. एक सर्कल C1 C2, radius R1 R2, radius R1 R2. Find the distance between the centers. Distance between centers and find R1 plus R2, R1 difference R2. There will be cases C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. Then 2A, 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 2A. 4 common tangents. If equal to R1 plus R2, then एक तो ये आ गया, एक ये आ गया. Right? If C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2, R1 minus R2, R1 difference R2, then पहले externally था, फिर touching no relation, touching externally, then intersecting, then C1 C2 equal to R1 difference R2, then touching internally, If C1, C2 less than R1, difference R2, one lie inside the other. One lie inside the other. In this case, 4 tangents, 3 tangents, 2 direct, एक इस तरीके से. In this case, 2 tangents, in this case, 1 tangent, in this case, 0 tangent. Now we will discuss the cases one by one, right? Now, case 1. When C1 is distance between the centers is greater than the sum of the radius. So how many tangents are there? 2 direct tangents and 2 transfer tangents. Direct tangents and transfer tangents. So in this case, 4 common tangents can be drawn 2 circles in which 2 are direct common tangents and other 2 are transfer common tangents. From the figure, triangles C1 MT, this one, and C2 NT, these are similar, तो corresponding sides will be proportional. तो ये आ गया ratio. Using this criteria, we can find the coordinates of point T by section formula. By section formula, right? Similarly, in triangles, delta C1, P, and other is D. C1 PD and C2 MD, C2 QD, C2 QD. These are this one. So in this case, they also divide. So we can find the common point of tangent, right? To find the equation of common tangent, to find equation of common tangents, consider equation of tangent to a circle having slope m is simple formula लगा दो y minus y1 equal to m x minus m1. स्लोप m है एंड c क्या है इसमें? अंडर रूट r और a, अंडर रूट 1 plus m square. This is a condition of tangency of line with the circle. C is the y-intercept. C is the y-intercept. Right? Case 2 में when C1 C2 is R1 plus R2. Right? In this case, coordinate of C कॉमन जो टेंजेंट पॉइंट जिस पे कॉमन पॉइंट होता है जिसमें टच करते हैं उस सेक्शन फॉर्मूला से निकाल दिया हमने, राइट? देन हाउ मेनी टेंजेंट्स आर देयर? 2 टेंजेंट्स. इफ distance with the centers is less than the sum of the radius and greater than the difference of the radius, then we have to check common T divides internally or externally. Internally or externally. Right? Next. Case 5. One point when distance to the center is R1 minus difference R2. The distance to the center is less than the difference of the radius. Then the common tangents are imaginary. No real tangent. No real. One circle lies inside the other. One circle lies inside the other. One circle lies inside the circle. So initially I have discussed basics of 5 cases are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now we have to check internal division or external division. Apply the structure formula. Ratio is their radius ratio. Right? Next question. Question is, let C1 be the circle in the third quadrant of radius R, radius 3, that touches both the coordinate axes. Let C2 be the circle with center 1, 3, that touches C1 externally at the point alpha beta. If beta minus alpha equal to m upon n, GCD of Mn is 1. Then M plus N is equal to 4 options are given to one of the option is correct, right? Now C1 touches both the coordinate axis, third quadrant, like this is quadrant third. ये पॉइंट क्या होगा माइनस एच रेडियस क्या होगा एच। तो C1 का सर्कल क्या बना, C1 का सेंटर हो गया -3 and radius is 3. This is one case. Another case, C2 का circle with center alpha beta. C2 is 1 3. 1 3 lies in this one. 1 3 touches the C1. This is C1. Touches the C1 in the circle like this. This is C1. C2 1 3 center है, इसकी रेडियस हमने ले ली R2. This is R1. ये पॉइंट T ले लिया हमने. This point is T. तो C2 center is 1 3 and radius is R2 equal to R. Then we have to find the value of tangent point is tangent point T is alpha beta. Tangent point T is alpha beta. Means C1, C2, T, alpha beta, 1 3, -3, R1, R2. Section formula. Section formula. As I have discussed in the earlier discussed number of common tangents equation. Then R1 is known 3. Unknown is R2. Unknown is R2. To find R2. To find R2. As C1 and C2 touch externally. Therefore, C1, C2 will be equal to R1 plus R2. Distance between the centers क्या आएगा? एक पॉइंट है C1 is -3 and this is 1 3. तो ये रेडियस दे रखी R3 plus R. तो ये आ जाएगा √16 plus 36, 52 2√13 equal to 3 plus R. So R comes out to be 2√13 minus 3. 2√13 minus 3 means everything is known. R1 is known, R2 is known, means C1 point T alpha beta, R1 3, R2 2√3, 13 minus 3, C2 is 1 3 and this is -3 minus 3. Now simple calculation is running. Now let's make the calculation. Now applying section formula. Alpha will be equal to this into this 3 plus this into this into this. So this comes out to be -3 2√13 minus 3 divided by ये दोनों 3 कट जाएगा 2√3 R1 plus R2. On simplification this comes out to 9 plus 12 minus 6√13 divided by 2√13. Now similarly beta will be equal to 1 3. So this comes out to be 3 into 3 9 plus this into this into this. So -3 2 root 13 -3 upon 2 root 13. This comes out to be 918 minus 6 root 13 divided by 2 root 13. You have to find the value of beta minus alpha whole square. Beta minus alpha whole square. Beta minus alpha whole square. This comes out to be this minus this. तो ये कॉमन फैक्टर कट जाएगा, ये आ जाएगा, बचेगा 6 अपॉन 2 रूट 13 का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 3 9 अपॉन 13. दिस इज इक्वल टू mn. जीसीडी को प्राइम होगा ना, जीसीडी mn इक्वल टू 1. इट कैन नॉट बी, देयरफॉर m प्लस n comes out to 9 plus 13 equal to 22. That is the answer. Let's check the answer. D option is the correct answer, right?
Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.